guys, and welcome back to another day of Vlogtober. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos because I am enjoying making them for you. You bet I like them. Just kidding. All right, yeah, so today's task is we're going to make the beauty wall because I'm currently in my beauty room right now. This is my vanity area that I do my hair videos, my sit down videos, my chit chat, get ready with me videos, all of the above. This is the beauty room that I do those videos in. So I want my back wall to look more like fall. So we're going to give it like a fall facelift, a fall makeover, because it's so boring right now. Like all I have is a curtain. I took my lights down. Sometimes I put the lights on there. And sometimes I have this, which you guys have probably seen this before. This is my flower photo that was gifted to me by my boyfriend a couple years ago. So I always use that for the most part. So we will be using that because I just love how it looks on camera. It's one of my faves. All right, and also I went to the dollar store and I got these little floating shelves. I saw some on Amazon that I wanted. They were white because I originally wanted them to be white, but the dollar store had them and I was like, I could just paint them white since I'm already here. Why don't I just get these, paint them white, and then use them? But my mom was like,
no, don't paint them white. Just buy the white ones. They got them at the dollar store. Just go to a different store.
I'm like, girl, I ain't trying to do that. Why would I go to another store when I have them and I could just paint them? But yeah, we're going to keep them black for now, and then I'm going to put them up there, and then we're going to see how they look black. And then if I don't like them, we're going to take them down and we're going to paint them. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, now for these shelves, they came with these little screws. But girl, they ain't come with no instructions. See, that's the only thing about the dollar store. You ain't going to get no instructions. You better know what you're doing. We about to wing it. I need to decide if I want to do, should I do one? Let's see, hold on. Should I do two like this, two like that, or one? Let me turn this way so y'all can get the visual. All right, so should I do, I'm trying to decide on if I should do them like this, like this, like this, or put two on this side. So either right on top, which probably won't happen, or to the side a little bit. Y'all see the visual? Like, I think I want to do one up here and one here, right? So we have something back here, and then we have something on this side to kind of balance it out. All right, let's try that, and then we'll see how that goes. All right, I also have some other little knickknacks that I want to play around with in the background. But once we get these shelves up, then we can do that, because I feel like the shelves are the hardest part because it's the main part, right? So you need the shelves to do the background. Actually, let me take this curtain down. All right, so now we are working with a blank canvas. The curtain is gone. It actually looks better without the curtain. Let's see.
Yay!
I did it.
You did it.
All right, let's see if it's
No, it's not working.
It's not working. So it needs to be closer. That's like so far to the side though. That ain't gonna work. I need it to be in the middle, so I'm gonna mark again. So there and there. Okay, that might be it. All right, so let's do this. No! It's leaning. Oh my God. I feel like that's as straight as it's gonna get right there. So I'm gonna total all up. All right, let's see if we can put something on there. Let's see, I got this little plant from IKEA. It's kind of cute. That's cute. I can dig it. All right, let's see about this. Okay. Okay, so one shelf down, one to go. All right, y'all, that is as straight as the shelves are going to get. Girl, those shelves ain't no joke. And I'm not about to tear my wall up. I'm trying to put no shelves up. But anywho, those are the two that we're working with. I have these little plants. I got these from IKEA. This from IKEA as well. I don't know where this little pine cone came from, but I want to say Hobby Lobby. I have this picture here. Now this was also gifted to me by my boyfriend a couple years ago when he was in Iraq. So he bought me this and I just love it. It's a comb and a mirror. See that? It's so beautiful. I just love it. So I'm finally able to use it. That's the comb. And we're gonna put that back there. I have this little mason jar that I'm gonna work with. I have my lights that I had before. And of course, I told you guys that I have my little flower picture. So yeah, let's see what looks good first. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking about doing. I do like this like that. I like it. It's coming together. Okay, so now, all right, so these are the lights that used to be hanging up behind me. Some of them come on, some of them don't, but I'm gonna put them in the mason jar and see how it looks back there. So I'm gonna just stuff them in there like this. Should I have some hanging out? Let's see how they look hanging out. No, it looks kind of crazy. So let's stuff them in there. Hopefully the ones that don't work don't really make a difference. All right, so now let's see. Okay, that looks better. Not too bad. I want to put the ones that light up more towards the front. I think I'm going to stick this in the inside and then put the switch at the top so I can just turn it on and off from up there. What y'all think? Is that a little better? I do want this little handle to show for some reason. I like it. All right, let's try this. Okay, that looks cute. All right, so now I need to disguise that little piece right here. So maybe I'll put these little flowers. I got some flowers from Hobby Lobby a while ago. Like, they're just flowers that I use as props for my products when I take product photos. Alright, so I stuck this little orange one onto this flower. So let's try it now, see what it looks like. Okay, I like it. Yes, I like that. I like that. I like it. It's simple. It's cute. Now I'm gonna see how my my flower photo holds. I want to just put it in the middle right there. All right, so these are the command strips that I'm going to be using. This is like a Velcro type adhesive, and I'm just going to stick it on the back of. All right, so I did 2 on each side. All right, now let's see where I want it. I think I want it like right here. I think I want to do right here. That looks so good. I like this. You see? Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do instead of this little plant right here, I think I'm gonna put my pumpkin. Let's see. I like that. Okay, do you think I should do that one or? Nah, that might be too much orange going on there. All right, let's try this. Okay, that pops a lot better over there. All right. I like. All right, what you guys think? I think this is good. This is enough. Let me let you guys look. Boom, 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 boom. A lot of hard work. Is very simple to the point. I really like it. I feel like it's my beauty room now. Like, I feel like I can do my work in here now. All right, so let's turn on our lights. Yay! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, it is so freaking cute. I love it. 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 This is perfect. It's giving fall. It's giving fall vibes, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in and going through the struggle with me with these shelves. I think I'm going to keep them black because I do like the black. White would probably look good too, but we are done with the shelves, honey. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell because I will be dropping videos every week and you don't want to miss those uploads. Until next time, bye-bye.